handle an extremely high viscosity silicone product in conjunction with a screw feeder manufactured by Doring. Judge the results for yourself.
It's so thick, the gentleman has to pull it out of the tank with his hands and put it into the auger. Okay, here we have the product coming out. That's 8 million centipoise.
Dan was invited to run this test for Sine Pump because the leading brand of external circumferential piston pumps, better known as rotary lobe pumps, that Doring's customer had been using sheared the product so heavily that its temperature was increased almost 100 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the temperature increase using the Sine Pump? Well, let the customer tell you.
The temperature increase is about 4 degrees, roughly.
You can see we're pushing about 100 psi with only about a 3-foot section of pipe in one elbow.
The pressure gauge is vibrating slightly because the operator is having a hard time supplying enough product to the feeder, which in turn is delivering pockets of air to the pump. Normally, the pulsation-free Sine Pump would leave the gauge totally still. Most processors would consider a product this viscous to be unpumpable, but that was before the Sine Pump came along.
The temperature rise pumping this product is about 2 or 3 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really negligible. And that is due to the very low shear of the pump. The amperage pull on the motor was read at about 4.8 amps, 3-phase 230 volt, which equates to about 1.2, 1.3 horsepower, which is a very small amount of horsepower for this viscosity product.
Amazing, but Dan wasn't quite through with the day's testing. In the following sequence, we see another difficult product combining